early 70s Hinomoto MB 1500. I got this, it was completely seized, the engine was all locked up. Every lever was stuck. The rotary primary drive, the bearings are all fucked and seized. It had a vertical stack on it, water had got down and filled up the cylinder. Had to rebuild the hydraulic cylinder, and pump was okay. I replaced the selenium rectifier with a solid state one. What's going on here? There we go. Yeah, anyway, put the solid state rectifier in there with a big heat sink because it's getting pretty hot. Rebuilt the carb. Can't get any parts for this, so I've made a accelerator pump diaphragm from an old fuel pump. It's got a Kayaba hydraulic pump. They make motorcycle forks as well. And the bearings were locked up in here so tight that I had to make a jacking plate to get this cover off, to get the bearings out to replace. This cap was missing, so this case had filled up with water and then rusted out down there, so that's all free now, because this didn't even turn before. This is still seized. And yeah, the main problem was the exhaust stack getting water down it and seizing the engine, but it didn't really damage the cylinder. It's on standard bore. I reused the piston and I put Toyota 11B piston rings in it. They fitted perfectly. And the gears are getting better. This it's quite hard to drive. It's like a crash box, so you gotta get your timing right to shift. Headlights work. Horn doesn't. The button's gone bad. But yeah, this is to run on kerosene and petrol. That's for starting fuel, and this one's for kerosene, but it runs well on low octane fuel. I just filled the gearbox up with oil. It needs straight 90 weight, but I could only find an 80. But yeah, I'll run this 80 through a bit and then I'll find some 90 one day, just to flush any crap out. Yeah, one interesting feature is diff steering. It's got these rods from the steering box that come down to the diff, and so instead of having two pedals, it does it automatically like this. It's quite a strange system, but yeah. So you just got your one brake pedal and then that does the diff steering. And also too, it's only got 256 hours on it, which is, it's in extremely good condition, apart from it's just been sitting abandoned under a tree for ages.